Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated knee raise march. Raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Begin to alternate lifting your knees from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, begin to tap your hands together under each leg as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Optional to add a leg extension as you continue moving at your own pace, strengthening and toning through your quadriceps while stretching through your hamstrings. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, sitting tall with your navel back towards your spine, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.